Well, folks, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. I am going out in the rain for a bunch of special people. Hold on, and I'll show you why. The Christmas cards. It's Monday, December 16th. Like I said, I get them out today. It's not only raining, it's freezing. It is, let me tell you the temperature. It's 37 degrees. So, I'll do this special for y'all. Be right back, and I'll show you when I drop them in the mail. But before I mail them, I'm giving y'all some stickers. There's that one. That's the reason why they're not sealed yet. But I got quite a few people that want some stickers, along with Christmas cards. And so, give me a few moments to stuff these up, then get to licking the envelopes, and go from there. Alright, be right back. We're at the post office, and it's still raining, and so let's go in. But I'm going to turn this down so you can see me walk in, and then you can see me drop them off. Alright, be right back. I mean, well, not be right back. You're going in there with me. Oh, phone. I mean, not phone. Camera getting wet. There we go. Now, make sure y'all don't. Sorry, you cannot see everybody else's addresses, but you see a whole bunch of these guys going in there. A whole bunch of them. There we go. Guess what? I need my key so I can get in my box. So, be right back. You hear that thunder? Oh, mercy. Alright, hold on. Let me get this camera turned around. Let me tell you, it's cold out there. Yes, I got gloves. Where are they at? They're over the seat. Where they should be? On my hands. I know. Car's warm. I learned to start my car up a lot quicker by these 15 minutes before I can jump into it now. That time of year. Anyways, the Christmas cards are out. It is the 16th. If you guys, I'm going to post this on the 17th. I doubt very much I can get one out to you before Christmas, but if you got till the 20th, so you got 3 days from the time this is posted. If you want a Christmas card, let me know as soon as possible. Alright, my address is down in the description. My email address, I'm sorry, is down in my description. And you can go there, send me your full name and your address or where to send it. And guess what? You just may get a sticker too. Alright, talk to you guys later. And yes, this was fun. But I'm going to go home, get warm. I'm still doing laundry. That's outside of the house. So, anyways, you all have a great and wonderful day. And I want to thank you all for supporting this channel. I love each and every one of you. And so you all been awesome. You all been great. You all understand about me not cooking on the boat right now because the rivers are frozen or they just got the boats tied up. I'm not sure if they're frozen. I'm not up that far, but from what I understand, there's some big storms, snowstorms up north. So, y'all that are up north, please be safe. These roads down here are bad. I know it's worse for you. So please be safe. Ooh, I just saw lightning. I'm going home. We'll talk to you later. Y'all have an awesome day. Thank you again. Bye-bye.